Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the OBF podcast. And we are once again in conversation with our fourth guest of the series, the one and only Atharv Bhaiya. Picking up from where we last left. So, taking a different turn now, Bhaiya. Like in the beginning, while introducing you, I use this term called transponster. So, I think people must be having this mystery left कि ये transponster क्या होता है. So, what's a transponster?
So, like, it's a very sort of embarrassing thing to say, but transponder, like, many of you must have seen Friends, right? So, in Friends, there's a very great scene. There's a very good episode on quiz, like where the friends quiz each other, and that's where the Chandler's job, one of the character, great character, his job. Rachel says that he's a transponder. So it comes from there. I found it very funny. I laughed at it a lot, and I just Friends was such a good experience for me. I still laugh at it. I've seen every episode of Friends like 9 to 10 times at least. So I laugh at it still, and I just it had an impact on me so much that I just wanted it to include it in my bio, Instagram bio. So I included in that, and like yeah, that's also one thing that I would like to say. Many people think that yeah, matlab MS karna hai, if you want to do, it's all about studies and it's all about academics and working a lot and lots of hard. That is an important part that you should work hard, but you should also have these things where you get to enjoy a lot because, like I said, like I come back to it a lot. What if you die tomorrow? Do you want to your last day to be filled with a work and everything? Like work is an important part and work ethic is important. But at the same time, you also like you should have laughed, you should have talked with your friends, you should have interacted with say your girlfriend or your family or everybody of these people. So I think that's also important. Even to this day, while having lunch, while having dinner, I watch different sitcoms. I'm currently watching Family Guy so that I can get a good laugh at it and I can enjoy life. Yeah.
So, since we are on this topic of cinema, भैया, our team actually researched about you, and कुछ कुछ लोगों से पता चला कि you are like a study research kind of guy. And when we went into the depth of it, we actually came to know that you are a very different person too, and you are into 2020 sci-fi flick Tenet, like कहीं पे आपने ये mention किया था, and you have a lot of love for cinema. So, please tell us about it.
Yeah, so basically, like हमारा 11-12 से एक group है of 5 to 6 people, and we love watching cinema. And especially in last year, always we always had this 1 hour session where we used to talk about, where we used to just interact with each other. And हमने सोचा कि यार चलो यार इसका now that podcast is coming up, so the best ways to gain knowledge today is through books. Then there is podcast, and then there is YouTube. These are the three best way that I at least used to gain a lot of knowledge about life. And as like yeah, let's make a podcast and we can talk about these things. So currently four of us are there, and we know each other from 11, 12. So we just come together, we try to post at least one podcast per week. The podcast name is The Corner Case, and we did an episode on Tenet, and we did an episode on Black Mirror. We have recently completed an episode on a Fight Club, and now we'll be soon talking about other AI related movies. So yeah, I mean, movies are extremely important part of my life, especially in 11, 12 when JE was going on. And our parents don't allow you to watch a lot of movies and these things. So on the weekends, my mom used to go to work, and tab like you didn't have unlimited net. So Jio nahi hota tha tab. So we used to have this dongle, and then you can connect it to your computer, and then you can get net. So I used to sneak out like 70 rupees somehow, and then I used to go to the cafes to get 1 GB of net. I used to connect, and then I used to download one movie for a week, and then I used to watch these movies. And I love movies. I watched a lot of movies. I can't even remember count of it. And I always love talking to people about it. If anyone is up to talking to it, would like to come to the podcast, would be happy to have you. Yeah.
सो भैया अब हमारे पॉडकास्ट का भी वहाँ पे एडवर्टीजमेंट कर देना प्लीज बिकॉज सिंस यू सेड दैट पॉडकास्ट आर अ गुड वे टू लर्न
श्योर आई मीन स्पेशली यूट्यूब वगैरह पे तो इतना कुछ नॉलेज पड़ा है बट पीपल डोंट वॉच इट यार I mean, there are lectures of MIT people and people from Harvard, people from NASA, and they have like 5,000 views, and there are stupid videos that have like 100 200 million views for no reason at all. I mean, I also watch these stupid things, but like there are treasures there, and nobody's seeing that, so I don't know.
तो भैया जैसे आपने कहा कि यू यूज टू स्नीक आउट एंड वॉच मूवीज एंड मतलब ऐसे चोरी छुपे चीजें करते थे सो दैट अथर भैया वाज आई थिंक अ लिटिल डिफरेंट या फिर मतलब अभी भी आप में वो चीज होगी जो आप पहले करते थे पहले का पता नहीं बट हाउ हैव दीज 4 years ऑफ कॉलेज बीन लाइक आप कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म हुए लाइक फर्स्ट ईयर में ऐसा कुछ किया हो सेकेंड ईयर में ऐसा कुछ किया हो कि आप अभी उसके बारे में सोचो दैट नाउ यू थिंक ऑफ इट and you find that very funny and crazy and you learned from it as well. So any such incidences from college?
Yeah, like there's one incident that at that time was extremely scary, probably the most scariest moment of my life. But right now I find it very funny, and my friends also jokingly talk about it. So what happened was that I was in my first year. I used to be a part of a lot of clubs. I used to be part of Anvesha, Celeste, everything. And I was part of Robocon at that time. Okay. And Robocon, our bhaiya, was very, very strict. He used to work till 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, and we used to spend a lot of time for it. So what happened was that our end semester maths exam was there in my first year, second semester. So second semester, end semester maths exam, last paper, it was going to be there, and I'd worked in this Robocon, and I'd stayed up a lot of time. So my sleep was like 3 to 4 hours per day on an average. So I was very, very like, what do you say, like जब सोते नहीं है तब बहुत ऐसे like you feel dizzy, you feel like बहुत anger निकलता है life में. So that sort of thing had happened. And like I said, maths का exam था. I went there. My preparation was very, very bad. I went there. It was a horrible paper. I like if it was 50 marks, I think I would have wrote something like 10, 20 marks. Yeah, I would have gotten a horrible grade at it. And anyway, so there was 10, 15 minutes break, and a quiz had been remaining. So there was a 3 hours exam, 10, 15 minutes break, and another half an hour of quiz. And then I went in front. One of my friends was sitting on the first bench. His name was Ketan, and I asked him, "यार कैसा गया paper?" And he said, "बहुत अच्छा गया, like बहुत सही, like आराम से मिल जाएगा, 40 plus तो चला ही जाएगा." And I got so frustrated that he said that thing. He knew that I was working in Robocon, that my paper was bad, and but he said that, and I was so frustrated at him, and I shout unknowingly and in a very loud voice. I put up a very bad word. I don't know if I'm allowed to say this in podcast, but it starts with mother, and then you can complete the list, whatever. And yeah, so basically I said it very loud. It was a big class, okay, like 100 people could sit, and I think everyone would have heard it. And I said it unknowingly this loud, and there was a professor there who was collecting all the papers. So I collected all the papers, and the professor was from civil engineering, and he was probably the strictest professor in IIT Patna history. He was very, very, very strict, and he used to literally fail people. Like IIT में ज़्यादा fail नहीं होते, but he used to fail people. He's that sort of a guy, and he listened to it, and he got so angry, and he called me in front of everybody. He told everybody to sit. He called me in front of everybody, told me to remove my mobile, call my father, and tell him what I had just said. He told me to call my father and tell that bad word to my father. Not like just tell him that I've said this word, not directly to my father, but tell him explicitly the word that I said. And it was extremely scary. You can't imagine, like people say ना यार adventure में बहुत मजा आता है, near death experience हो जाए तो बहुत, but let me tell you, it's not fun. I mean बाद में मजा आता होगा maybe thinking about it, but at that point it's very scary. Anyway, I called my father. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I know that this guy is, if I don't call my father, he'll probably rusticate me. So I called my father, and then I'm from Maharashtra, he speaks Marathi. So he's like, Ha bol na Atharva. So that's hello Atharva in Marathi. And I suddenly realized, oh my God, I can also speak in Marathi. So I told my father in Marathi, and I know that professor doesn't know Marathi. I told him that my father is a very chill guy. So I told him that, Papa, I'm going to give a very bad word. It would be better if you mute your speaker right now. And he's like, what happened? What happened? He's like, I said, I can't explain, but just mute your speaker right now. And I think professor got what I was doing. He understood that I was playing a trick. So he told me to shut off the mobile, and I never got to speak of it, and I thought that that experience was gone. Everything was all right. The professor never contacted me again, and then suddenly in my second year, it was normal day for me, and suddenly I'm called to the hostel warden. I'm called by hostel warden, and the hostel warden is like, "You have a complaint against you from one of the professors," and I'm like, "What?" He's like, "Yeah, disciplinary committee. So there's a disciplinary committee called DISCO, and it can complain against you, and that will be very bad. For example, if you fail in one subject, it's all right, but if you have a disciplinary action against you, then that's one of the worst thing that can happen, because no company will hire you if you have that sort of disciplinary action against you." So I was like, "What happened?" He's like, "No, you'll have to speak to the professor. Associate dean has called you, and you'll have to speak to it." He told me this on Friday, and I had to go to Monday. So that 2 days, that weekend was one of the worst time, because I was already imagining scenarios that I was, gonna get rusticated and everything. If I'd known this sort of philosophy, then I would not have been in that of a panic mode. But I didn't know it at that point. I was very dumb. And anyway, I got to go on Monday, and the professor and associate dean was there, and they told me about this incident. And the professor told me that on the day that it happened, he had mailed me. He had mailed me that I need to come to his office and speak to him regarding this incident. But I said that I never received this mail. It had been 4 to 5 months regarding that incident. He said that no, he mailed me and I didn't come, and that's why he lodged a complaint against me. And at that point, I went in my folder, and that mail was in my spam folder. It had come, but it was in my spam folder. And till to this day, I still check my spam folders. And I got to know about, yeah, and I got to know about it. Fortunately, the associate dean recognized me. He's like, I've seen you a lot of time during anchoring and a lot of stuff. I've also seen you in Inter-IT Cult Meet. How can you do this? I thought you were a good guy and everything." And that incident had become sort of famous at that point. And how can you say this bad thing? And even my faculty advisor was called. But because of that sort of reputation, that I was an anchor, he let me go. And he literally, I have a letter that would be sitting on associate dean's desk, that I will never commit another this sort of act, or I will not commit any undisciplinary action. If I do that, then he has the power to rusticate me. So in 4 years, that sort of thing never happened, but there were some close instances. And so it was a very scary moment. And right now, like when I think about it, it's very good. Like that's the funny thing about life. When you think about it backward, it sounds great. You can connect all the dots, but the irony is that you have to live life forward. You cannot live it backward. So yeah.
Oh my god. During this whole thing, I had so many oh my god moments. Nobody would have imagined that the bhaiya going to Stanford had to go through this also.
Like literally, my
So,
faculty advisor, he literally messaged me when he got to know about Stanford, and he's like, "How do you feel after from going to that disco incident to Stanford?" And like, sir, I don't know what I feel. I just don't. I'm just afraid. Don't mention that incident. It still gives me chills.
this will give chills to anyone. Oh my god.
Yeah.
सो प्लीज जो भी सुन रहे हैं गाली देने से पहले अपने आसपास देख ले डिस्क्लेमर देना चाहिए इस पॉडकास्ट का
अरे तुम लोग हॉस्टल में नहीं हो। इफ यू आर इन हॉस्टल, 24 आवर्स स्लरिंग रहता है। सो वो जो था वो काफी नेचुरल था। व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू कम टू होम, आई हैव टू स्टॉप माई सेल्फ 5 to 10 टाइम्स अ डे, सो दैट आई डोंट स्पीक अ बैड वर्ड, क्योंकि गाली इज समथिंग दैट इज वेरी 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 नेचुरल इन हॉस्टल, एंड यू गेट यूज टू इट। It really is, and like I'm just sad that you don't get to experience the hostel, man. Because like my best memories of hostel are just going to my friend's room, sitting there, sleeping there. I remember I was in dramatics club, and we had to write a script for a particular play. And one bhaiya was there. He was also strict. He's like, "नहीं, 2 दिन में मुझे script चाहिए." And three of us were there. We had to write a script. We didn't know one thing about writing a script, and we just slept like on one bed. All of us were sleeping, and we were writing in between. One guy used to sleep, then another used to complete, and it was just the best time of those 3 days. We didn't eat, we shouted a lot, we gave a lot of bad words, but now I think about it, it's a very fond memory. I did it with Priyansh and Avinash. Even those guys will tell
तो
you that
भैया
it was
मतलब
a great
आपने फर्स्ट
experience.
ईयर
Yeah.
से लेकर अभी तक लाइक टिल योर graduation you have experienced so much. I mean, though I didn't ask you exclusively about all these, but you have been a part of TEDx, you have been a part of Yavanika, you have been a part of Robocon, you have gone to Inter-IT Sports, you have gone to Inter-IT Cult. So you have covered, yeah, you had a chance to go in athletics, right? So you explored so much and you did so much. So we have a question we ask all our guests, and that is ki, since you've done so much in all the fields, which part of IIT Patna would you like to be named after you if you were given a chance? See, that's a difficult question for you.
Oh my God, that's a good question. Yeah, I'll have to think about it. Yeah, like I said, that's a difficult question. But I've had so much affection with that disco committee wala part, and very few people get to sort of experience it. So, like, if there's a
That
act
will
of it,
be
like
great.
disco committee act, then I would like to
So
name that
maybe if
act after
somebody
me. That
has
would
to,
be very funny.
somebody has the chance, I should say, to go to a disco committee, then they'll be हम अथर्व एकाद पूरे disco committee जा रहे हैं. Oh my god.
Yeah, I like it was very scary, but I'm glad I got to be part of it. I never wish that anyone to have that. But यार वही चीजें याद आती है बाद में, you remember all those things.
Yes, yes. So after talking all this, Bhaiya, now we are moving to the next segment of this episode, and that's called the rapid fire round. So the rules are pretty simple. We'll be asking you some questions and तुरंत answer देना है उनका. So I'll start with the first question. The one place or situation where you misused or used IIT Patna ka tag.
Like in IIT Patna itself, like while going to IIT Patna itself on a train, we said that we were IIT Patna students and we didn't have to pay for the ticket. So that's where I think I can use this thing.
Oh, thank you. We'll use that. The next question. One thing you miss about college now.
Oh, like night walks with a lot of friends, just going to canteen, just hanging out, not knowing what to do. That part I missed a lot.
Okay. One thing you definitely don't miss about college.
Having to wake up, like having to set an alarm clock at 3 o'clock of 8 o'clock, knowing that you're going to get a very bad night's sleep. That part I definitely don't miss.
Okay. Your first crush on campus.
First crush in camp. I don't remember the name of that particular girl, but I really don't. But I think it was some MTech or PhD student, I guess. And she just walked by, and I guess that would be my first crush. Yeah. I don't remember the
Okay.
details.
Okay. Dating life in college.
Dating life is actually like I was in a long term, would say long distance relationship with a person that I had met during my 11th, 12th standard, and I'm still am in a relationship with her. So unfortunately, like you say, like in college we couldn't meet, and I would have loved if she was in my class. But at the same time, I got to experience a different kind of relationship where I could go on night walks and just with my phone, and I could talk to her. So that was okay. But other than that, it's very hard to mingle both. And she herself was in engineering, so that made things a lot easy. But if she would not have been engineering and she would not have had a what do you say her busy life herself, it would have been very difficult to maintain a relationship.
Right. And let me tell you that Bhaiya ki jo girlfriend hai, she is one of my friends from coaching itself. And let me tell you this, with all these other things that Bhaiya does, he manages his relationship also very well. I'm very jealous, actually. Let me be very frank. I see their posts and they are really good.
Like it's because of her, like both of her are doing the same. She also wanted to go for MS, and it's because of her that I got to know कि MS नाम का एक चीज भी होता है यार. So like she's been very supportive through this. It's like there was one guy, Priyansh was there, and he used to tell me a quote कि like when a person gets into a relationship, only two things happen. Either बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है उसकी लाइफ में या बहुत बुरा हो जाता है. It doesn't remain the same way. So I still remember that quote. Yeah.
Right, right. So Priyanji are giving all the dating advices. We'll have him in the next episode.
Yeah.
Let's see. We'll ask him.
Yeah, he's a great person. I mean, he's just so, like anytime I feel stressed out, I either talk with him or he was my go-to person. Yeah.
Okay. The Laila Majnun of the batch.
Laila Majnu. I guess Tanuru and Priyansh.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, you should just see the pics that Priyansh was posting on Tanuru's birthday. I mean, there's no better love story than that. Yeah.
Okay. One person from your batch you think will be a billionaire in the future.
There's a guy named Vatsal. He was one of the co-founders of us, and this guy has got a Goldman Sachs job, and he's earning like a lot, obviously 30 lakh plus, and he still chose to do entrepreneurship. He wants to be in entrepreneurship, and he knows that if he goes into entrepreneurship for the first 2 3 years, he may have no income, and he's ready for it just because he likes to create, and he just because he likes to. And I'm for sure this guy will become something great. I'm damn sure about him. Yeah.
Okay, I hope Vatsal Bhaiya listens to this podcast. We'll make him listen to this podcast now.
Like I don't know if he listens to these sort of things, but like he has a lot of knowledge. I don't know if he likes to express it, but just he'll give this small, like ऐसे बहुत ज्यादा होशियार लोग नहीं कर रहे थे, ज्यादा कुछ बोलते नहीं है, बट एक लाइन बोल देते हैं, that is like life defining, बहुत सारा knowledge उसमें पड़ा रहता है.
Yes, yes, right. Okay, the next question is one rule you would want to change in the institution at IIT Patna.
अरे यार, there should be night classes यार. Most of the people stay up at night. There should be night classes, and morning there should be like, जितना सोना है उतना सो दो. I don't know, but yeah, I have a very much hate. मतलब all I remember is always waking up in a very delusional way. क्योंकि we used to sleep at 3 4 o'clock, and I know people who used to sleep at who used to sleep at 7 o'clock because they took their breakfast at 6:30, and then they used to sleep at 7, then used to wake up at 9 for classes. So if there was night classes, that would be amazing. Yeah.
We can propose that.
Yeah. Yeah, you're the VP. I mean, vice president. So I think you should have that. Many people will support that. Yeah.
या वी शुड बस एक बार कैंपस चले जाए उसके बाद घर पे तो ना हो पाएगा हमसे नाइट क्लासेस
घर पे तो मतलब बहुत मार पड़ेगी.
10 बजे बोल देते हैं, सोने जाओ.
वही.
हाँ वही. Okay, the next question is your zero regrets moment at IITP.
Zero regrets moment at IITP. Like all the time I spent with friends, or again, the time where I got to talk to them, and where I got to go to canteens and just go on night stroll. I never regret that. In fact, I wish that could happen once again, and that will always be very close to my heart.
एंड मेरा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन होने वाला था योर बिगेस्ट नाइटमेयर एट कैंपस, लेकिन आप उसकी कहानी हमें ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं डिटेल में.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like there's another incident. Like I don't.
ओके, यू हैव वन मोर. ओके, वी आर रेडी टू लिसन टू दैट.
No, I don't want to get into the depth of it, like just for the sake of it. It's another. But at one point, the thing that one of my friends did, we almost had to call police to the campus. That sort of thing happened. That there was an incident with a girl. I don't want to name the girl. It was a very bad incident. Again, it was during my second year, and due to some sort of thing, one of the persons on campus had a bad thing with that girl, and he came to me and he asked me for the number of that girl, and we have the number of the girl from Anvesha. I was part of the committee, so I had her number from Anvesha, and I gave it to that particular person, and that person then like called her and sort of threatened her and all those things, and that she sort of complained against me in police, and I literally got a call from police that we have I had this sort of thing, and it later on I literally had to call my uncle, and he spoke with a lawyer. So this sort of thing also had happened. It was also a nightmare. That was actually much worse than the first incident, but it's like, yeah, that's it.
So multiple biggest nightmares at campus.
Yeah, yeah. I didn't want to speak of it because, like, just talking about it is very bad. Like, at least the first incident had some good thing, or it was a mistake, but it could be taken in a funny way. But the second thing was very serious. That you never want to meddle with police. So I just didn't want that somebody should have an idea that ऐसा भी होता है यार. So that's why I didn't speak of it.
बट दिस हैज अ गुड पॉइंट कि किसी का भी लड़का हो या लड़की किसी का भी नंबर उनके कंसेंट के बिना किसी को भी ना दे, स्पेशली इफ इट इज लाइक कनेक्टेड टू एनी ऑफ सच केसेस और मैटर्स.
या वी नेवर नो कि हु विल बी, मतलब वो कैसी लड़की है, वो कैसा लड़का है, स्पेशली लाइक आई हैव अ वेरी सीरियस एडवाइस टू ऑल द पीपल. अगर तुम लोग अन्वेषा सेलेस्टा में, इसमें बहुत से लोग दे कम फ्रॉम आउट ऑफ कैंपस and they are from other colleges, and most of them are very friendly, but look at the background of those people. We never know what a person might be. So be friendly, but don't do something that can land you in trouble. Like, it's a very serious advice, and I made that mistake, and that could have literally gotten me arrested at one point, but luckily that didn't happen because we have a very good security at IIT Patna. The officials are very good, but that could happen. So before engaging with those people from outside of IIT Patna, check their background and get to know about them. Just don't speak with them randomly, or not speaking, but just don't do other things other than friendly way randomly. Yeah.
Right. And after all this that you've told us about college, we would like you to sum your college experience using one song.
One song. Oh my God. I'll have to think. They're definitely a great song. But I think there's a song, like we were in first year, there was an English class, and there was a song that our ma'am played for a particular project called Country Roads Take Me Home. That's a great song by John Denver. It's a Country Roads Take Me Home. It's a very, very popular song. And that was played during our class in my first year. And that united us all. Like, even my fourth year, when I came for 1 month at the campus, some of my friends, while brushing, they used to sing that song. And that has a very good amount of memory. So, search that song, Country Roads. And that is such a beautiful song. Yeah.
We're definitely going to search this because it has so many of your memories, and maybe we'll also be able to connect with it. Before leaving the podcast, Priya, we would like to now, since that we have come to the end of it, and it was so much fun talking to you.
Same.
It was a complete roller coaster ride for you, and listening through this 1 hour, I could go down that memory lane with your words, with so many ups and downs, so many mischiefs, and so many achievements, and so much of success. So, to sum it all up, would you like to give a message, a final message to the students, to our listeners?
So first is like enjoy, like be happy all the time, enjoy whatever. Speak with your friends, guys. They'll tell you a lot of things. You'll get to know a lot of things. You'll never get back these 4 years. And secondly, there's another. I know I'm once again going into philosophy, but there's a great quote that I read. I don't know exactly the quote, but I'll tell you what it said. That most of the time, people will tell you, your parents, your teachers, or other people will tell you that once you come to IIT or once you come to Stanford, your life is set. But the irony is that after 4 years, after passing out, the people who are most successful, or the people whose life are most set, are the ones who didn't believe in that first quote. So don't believe in that thing that life is set, because many a times you may think that you'll easily get a job and you will get it, but if you try somewhat, then you can get even a better job. So don't believe in that saying that life is set, and the people who don't believe is their life will be the most set. I guarantee you that. Ironically.
Right. So get out of your comfort zone, get out of that life is going to be set wala zone, and go out there and explore. So it has been this throughout this 1 hour, throughout this whole episode. Ki jao, explore karo, find yourself, sit in that corner, answer that why.
Yeah, yeah, and don't do it for like मतलब more than destination, do it for the journey यार, कि चलो यार एक ही बार लाइफ है यार, कुछ तो एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. Why, like that's one of the reason why I'm also going for MS, is not just because of academics. I just like to travel a lot. Like I love traveling, I love meeting more people, and there's so much beauty out there we have not even discovered. So yeah.
Thank you so much, Bhaiya. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us today and taking out time from your busy schedule and telling so many of your secrets also to us so openly, so genuinely, so frankly. This means a lot to all of us, especially to us juniors. This means the world. Getting advice from your seniors in an experienced way, in a philosophical way. This has been great. It has been great, and we really wish. I wish, and also I know our listeners will also wish the same, that we'll keep an eye out for you to see you in the future Forbes 30 under 30 list. तो भैया एक्सप्लोर कीजिए और वहां जाइए.
Yeah, I mean, like, do tell me if now the saal mein, if I don't become an entrepreneur or not part of it, like, do remind me, Ari, you were telling and you haven't done it, because I think that will push me to do this sort of thing, and who knows, that can happen. Yeah, sure.
ये पॉडकास्ट तो रहेगा भैया, यही भेज देंगे आपको भैया. वेयर आर वी एट? हैव यू रीच देयर? हैव यू
अब बोले तो बहुत है आप, और कुछ तो करे तो कुछ नहीं, ऐसा ना हो आपसे भैया.
ऐसा तो नहीं होगा भैया, बट विल ऑलवेज कीप यू इन आवर प्रेयर्स फॉर श्योर.
Thank you so much. I love speaking with you. Shout out to all the juniors. Shout out to all my friends who have contributed to this. And please, like, if you have any doubts, any queries, feel free to reach out to me. All my love for IIT Patna family.
Thank you so much, Bhaiya. And now to our listeners, we hope you enjoyed this episode. We will soon see you with another episode with another brilliant personality from IIT Patna. Also, if you have not checked out our first three episodes, tune into our streaming platforms to hear in and follow us on our social media handles for constant updates. Stay connected with us on Instagram as well. So that was all for today, guys and girls. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay connected to the OBF podcast. Bye bye.